Hobe Sound Appliance Repair, local, fast, and reliable. We serve Hobe Sound and all of southern Martin County. Hobe Sound is a quiet, beautiful community along the coast between Stuart and Jupiter. Known for the Hobe Sound National Wildlife Refuge, Jonathan Dickinson State Park, and peaceful residential neighborhoods. What we repair in Hobe Sound: all major appliances. Refrigerators, washers, dryers, dishwashers, ovens, ranges, and more. Every brand from Samsung and LG to Whirlpool, GE, Maytag, and premium brands. Hobe Sound homes range from cozy beach cottages to upscale waterfront estates. We service both standard and premium appliances. Whether it's a basic Whirlpool dryer that needs a belt or a Wolf range that needs an igniter, we handle it all. Same-day service: most Hobe Sound calls received by noon get same-day afternoon service. We're based locally on the Treasure Coast, not dispatching from Palm Beach or Orlando. Our commitment: OEM parts on every repair. Diagnostic fee applied toward the repair. Honest advice on repair versus replace. Licensed, insured, and reviewed by your neighbors. Hobe Sound Appliance Repair. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.